Hey guys, it's Gold Streams here again. So I want to talk about the trade we took today. It's for the 24th of January. It's Friday. Okay, it's the end of the week. The main aim on a Friday is to come in and sort of have a look, see if you can get clean market structure. If you can't get clean market structure, if you can't get a move that you recognize, then I don't recommend taking trades on a Friday. As you guys probably know, most traders end up losing money on a Friday, especially if you're not profitable throughout sort of Monday to Thursday. You tend to be a little bit more hasty on a Friday and try and end the week strong. Massive mistake. Either way, we came in, we marked our supports right down here at 27.71. We marked our resistance out at 27.77. Waiting to see if we can get a break below or a break above, and that's sort of that was the plan, right? We had very clean range to the left hand side of like 180 pips. I'll show you here. So on the 30-minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame, it was like 180 pips down to the bottom side. On the 15-minute time frame, it's still a massive range. So I was more interested in sells. The reason I didn't sell off resistance here, well, there's actually two reasons. First off, this week I've sort of consistently been coming late into the markets. I haven't been showing up at the time I normally show up to trade, which is 15 minutes before pre-London. And the second reason is that the 4 hour had a very strong bullish close, and this could easily just be a bottom wick on the next 4 hour, because 7 a.m. My time is when the new 4 hour candle opens. So I'm just expecting this to be a very strong a wick on the 4 hour time frame, unless we can get a break about below 27.71. Now 27.71 was a very strong support. It was a support on the 30-minute time frame. It was a support on the 1 hour time frame, right? And these wicks to the left hand side were also present on the 30-minute and the 40 and the 1 hour time frame. They were rejections. So at this point, we're just sitting here, we're waiting, we're watching sort of the market come down, not taking any trades. Made about 6% profit this week, so I'm not looking to be too hasty. It's just, if I can get a nice trade, I'll put my position in. If I can't get a nice trade, I'm happy to end the week with 6% profits. Okay, again, you're not gonna have, you know, these massive weeks of like 50%, 30%, 40% profits in a week. I don't personally know any traders that actually achieve that. So this is sort of that I've been consistently being profitable with this of around 5. I've had weeks where it's been really good and I managed to get like 8% profit. But 4 or 5% a week is what I've been making consistently, and sort of it keeps me good. So again, you're just waiting to see if you can get a close or break of this sort of a support area of 27.71. So you can see now this is coming up to pre-London, half an hour before. This is coming up to London Open. This is half an hour before London Open. Got a bullish close on the 15-minute time frame. I used 15-minute for entry. That's why I'm showing you guys this on the 15-minute time frame, and we're just waiting to see exactly what can happen. I'm not interested in buys, right? Because at this point, it just doesn't make any sense. The 1 hour candle is about to close. The 30-minute candle is about to close. They were bearish until now. It just didn't make any sense to go in for buys. It's in the middle of the range. I'm still looking for sells. All right. So the London Open candle came in. I'm just going to slow this down a bit. I don't want to miss this. Okay. So this is the London Open candle opening up in 2 minutes. Okay. And this is sort of what gave me a confirmation to enter the trade. We've got 1 minute left until London Open. Looks like we're going to have a very strong bearish close on the 30-minute. It looks like we're going to have a good strong bearish close on the 1 hour time frame as well. Again, its market is respecting this support level of 27.71. London Open can bring a lot of volume into the market. So let's just see sort of, in my brain, I was thinking if we can break this with volume, we can continue down and, fill these wicks and get like 15, maybe have a runner, let a runner run as well. That was the aim of the trade. So I'm just keeping an eye on this, seeing right, nice top wicks being made. Once this candle started breaking the previous candle low, and once this candle started breaking 27.71 here, right, it was sort of, that was my decision made to enter the trade. Like I said, London open, a lot of volume, okay, stops were reasonable at this point, okay, and the reason I'm putting my take profit here at 15 pips, I'm going to show you, is because I closed 90% of the position on 15 pips, and I let a runner run, and the runner came back down and hit break even. So it's fine. This is the way the trade played out. Why I secured at 15 pips? We've got rejection wicks on the left hand side. We haven't actually got a closure on any sort of time frame that made sense, like the 30-minute or the 1 hour. So no closure on a strong time frame. My stops were up here, right, just above this candle. If this candle flipped bullish, my trade's not valid. All right, it's that simple. So you're just keeping an eye on the market and just seeing, right? So this is the 30-minute candle. It's broken structure. I understand there's rejections to the left-hand side. I'm expecting London open volume to come in and just fill it. So I'm going to speed this up a bit here for you guys, just so you can see sort of exactly. And as always, if you look to the right-hand side now, you're going to see the actual live trade with the entry, but the stops were sort of at break even. I just secured 90% at that point, and I had the runner running. And so watching this candle close, the 15 minutes candle is closing in about 3 minutes. I'm thinking if this 15-minute candle closes back in the range, I'm closing full. You know, I'll take the loss there and then. If this 15-minute candle closes outside of the range, which it did, great, right? That's all I cared about. So once this candle broke the low, in this case, take profit's going to be here. In the actual trade, we closed 90%, let 10% run, and that 10% came down and hit break even. Again, guys, it's Friday. It all depends with what you're content on securing, right? It doesn't matter. You're not going to catch, you know, massive moves, 50 pips, 100 pips every day in the market. It depends what your style of trading is. For me, it's 15, 20 pips in the market is what makes me consistent profit, as long as you can control your downside and manage your risk. But yeah, that was pretty much it for the day. As you can see, obviously the market came back up. It hit break even on the trade at that point, and it did a full reversal, which is completely fine because we're out of the trade. The runner didn't do what we thought it was going to do. But yeah, we look forward to obviously Monday, and there will be a simulation session over the weekend as well. So yeah, have a great day, guys. Enjoy the weekend.